Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making pizza style tortellini. Ha! Let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and get into some of these ingredients. So we're gonna start off with the tortellini. I don't know why I said that like I'm from Italy, but I got this 5 cheese. That's 18 ounces. We're gonna be using some of this mild Italian ground sausage. Got some pepperonis. This is 6 ounces. Then you're gonna need you some marinara sauce. I got 2 jars of this. You're gonna need you a little salt, pepper, and garlic. I got the combo, everything's in here, so we're just gonna use this go-to blend. Gonna be using a little bit of Italian seasoning. I got some grated Parmesan cheese that I grated myself. If you have the dry kind that you put on your pizzas, you can use that as well, but I got this, I grated it up myself. And I got some freshly grated Mozzarella cheese. If you have provolone, that will work just as fine. So that's all you're gonna need. All right, you're gonna need you a medium-sized pot. I just got some water in here. We're gonna let this get up to a boil, and then we're gonna put those tortellinis inside of it. So I'm actually gonna move this to another eye because I'm gonna go ahead and start making the pasta sauce. All right, our water has came up to a boil. It's time to go ahead and put the tortellini inside. Okay, so we about to go ahead and start making this pizza sauce. So I got the tortellinis to the side, they boiling. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this cast iron pan. Got a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna pour that inside. That's about all I need. We're gonna let this come up to temp just a little bit longer. All right, we got our pot up to temp. I'm gonna go ahead and put those veggies in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cook these down for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, it's been about 4.5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and throw in the Italian sausage. You just want to go ahead and just mix this all up. Okay, so we got these tortellinis in. They only take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook, so you want to stay, check your times on that. Don't let it stay in there too long. So we're gonna go back to the Italian sausage, and this is almost ready. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, so the Italian sausage is done cooking, or if you use beef or ground turkey, whichever meat you prefer, after it's done, you want to go ahead and drain the grease, the fat. So it's time to go ahead and put in the marinara sauce. Got 2 jars. Go ahead and mix this up. All right, we're just gonna let this come to a simmer, and then we're gonna go ahead and insert the tortellinis, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. It's time to go ahead and add that tortellini. You want to go ahead and just mix that in. After you get it mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and add the Italian seasoning. How much is up to you. Keep pouring till it feel good to you. That's about enough. I got that salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Not putting much in there. That's it. You just want to keep mixing this up. Make sure you got your oven set on 400 degrees. Man, this smells good just like it is. All right, after you get this mixed up, try to lay this flat. We're gonna take some of that Parmesan. Sprinkle that all the way around. Get your mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and get your pepperonis. All right. You want to put some more of that mozzarella right on top of them pepperonis. All right, that's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and slap this in the oven. Once again, it's set at 400 degrees. Depending on your oven is how long it's gonna take. My oven is probably gonna take me about 15 minutes. I know some people ovens, run hotter. It might be done around 10 minutes. So it just depends on your oven. Just keep an eye on it. So we're just gonna go ahead, place this in the oven. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, there you have it. That pizza style tortellini. This took about 18 minutes in the oven. I did go ahead and put a little bit of dry parsley on top of it. Also, I did switch my cast iron because I made too much, so I had to put it in my Dutch oven. But hey, it came out well. Take a look at this right there. Come on, man. Come on. Man, I'm telling you right now, you guys have to try this. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you please hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Hey, it's time to eat.